Hello everybody, Mad Mick here. Welcome to the channel again. Well, today's video you might think is a simple one, yet a lot of people would like to know how to do it properly. And that's taking out the rear wheel. Now there's various reasons you might want to take out the rear wheel. And that's probably to change the rear tyre. If you take it to a dealer to change the rear tyre, it's going to cost you quite a bit of money to take the wheel off and do it. You might just take your wheel off, order a tyre yourself. I mean, the Bridgestone Battle Axe is a brilliant tyre for the 310 model. Giving you great corner stability, etc. And a good road holding. That's what I have on my 310. This is on a 310R, but the 310X T model is the same. As long as you can get the middle of the bike underneath the engine there, you can raise the bike off the floor. This way the tyre would probably cost you about £80, and the fitting, if you take it to a fitter, would cost you about £20. So you're probably talking around about £100 UK pounds, about 110 euros to have it, to get a brand new tyre on the back. A lot cheaper method of doing it. So this is just showing you how. I want you to enjoy the rest of the video. Please like the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done already, and look at our video playlists. We have playlists on every model of the Zontes, over 1,000 videos. This is Mad Mick signing off, and I will see you all later. Tatty bye for now.